Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with tech and biosciences leaders, discussing AI and semiconductor manufacturing, expressing optimism for India's growth as a global technology powerhouse. Prime Minister Modi expressed deep concern over Gaza's humanitarian crisis and reaffirmed India's support for Palestine during a meeting with President Abbas at the UN. Prime Minister Modi held a roundtable with leading American tech CEOs in New York, discussing technology, innovation, and India's role as a global tech hub. Prime Minister Modi and Crown Prince Sheikh Sabah discussed enhancing India-Kuwait relations, focusing on sectors like pharma, technology, and energy during their meeting at Unga. During his US visit, Prime Minister Modi met with Nepal's K.P. Sharma Oli, discussing energy, technology, and trade to bolster India-Nepal ties. In an address to 15,000 attendees in Uniondale, PM Modi emphasized India's emerging global stature and commitment to peace and technology, reflecting on recent US-India relations. Israeli Defense Forces Chief Lt. Gen. Herzi Halevi stated that attacks on Hezbollah will intensify, following a significant increase in militant casualties since the onset of the Gaza conflict. A policeman was killed and 3 injured in an IED attack while escorting diplomats from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to Islamabad. The diplomats returned safely. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu stated Israel struck Hezbollah in ways the group couldn't imagine. He reaffirmed commitment to restore security in northern Israel. Prime Minister Modi congratulated Anurag Kumara Dissanayake for his presidential election victory in Sri Lanka, expressing eagerness to strengthen India-Sri Lanka ties. Prime Minister Modi stated that India is emerging as a global catalyst during his speech to the diaspora. He announced new consulates in Boston and Los Angeles.